Hello, Michel. We would like to interview you for Care for Tech project about the topic of smart energy. You work at Tenerdis cluster. Can you explain us what is Tenerdis and activities of the cluster and your activities inside the cluster?
Hello, so pleased to make this interview with you. So we are in Tenerdis in Grenoble, in the heart of the Alps, and we are a competitiveness cluster. That's to say we are a specific cluster which is certified by the French government, and our objective, as the other competitiveness cluster in other fields, economic fields, is to foster the innovation within our sector, and our sector is renewable energy or energy transition.
Okay, thank you for this presentation. So as I mentioned, Plastipolis is part of a Care for Tech project, which aim to foster the development of smart living technology in Alpine space. In this topic, in this main topic of smart living, we have one specific topic dedicated to smart energy. As Tenerdis is only dedicated to energy topic, what is your position and your what are the activities of Tenerdis on smart energy?
I've heard, of course, about this project, as it is an Alpine space project, and Tenerdis is involved in some Alpine space as well. So we are, of course, interested by the results of this project. Of course, smart energy is in the heart of our positioning at the moment, because in France, especially in France, we had a centralized position of energy production, which is coming in France at the level of 75% of the atom power plants, and that is very centralized. And nowadays, of course, with the renewable energy that are producing everywhere, scattered on the territory, which is coming from wind power, solar power, hydroelectricity, and in this region hydroelectricity is very important. It is producing 25% of all the hydroelectricity in France, biomass power as well. So we have a decentralized position of this renewable energy, and that is making trouble to the grid. So we need to invent a new system, a new grid, so a smart grid system to accept this decentralized production and to make the best to the final users in terms of efficiency and, of course, of costs.
Okay, very interesting. And do you have, for example, a specific vision for this future of smart energy, or maybe a project to develop a smart energy in the future?
Of course, due to the fact, like Plastipolis, we are representing a triple helix composed of big companies, smart startups, but as well local territories, like Metropolis, Lyon, or the region of Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes. It could be Grenoble as well, and of course the academic sector with the universities, the labs, the research centers. So we have developed since a couple of years project to match with these new challenges of smart energy, and specifically in the field of smart cities, which the scope is very large of smart cities, but we are engaged in some project here in Grenoble, for instance, with a GREET project or Citizen project. We have been involved in some project abroad in this field. We are participating to events like the Smart City Fair in Barcelona each year with our colleague of Minalogic, another competitiveness cluster, because it's very important to tackle with these new challenges. To act in synergy with other clusters like you, of course, or Minalogic, and the digital sector is playing a big role in the energy. Is a key driver of the innovation in the energy. So we have to match and to plug ourselves. We are representing the fields of energy, but we have to plug ourselves with colleagues in order to make the most of the research in terms of smart energy in the smart grid, smart energy within the smart buildings, or the smart city. We have connected a mission with the other energy cluster in France, in Singapore. So we have also this vision abroad, because we know that every country, maybe at a different level, is facing the same types of challenges.
So thank you very much to introduce
Thank you.
Tenerdis, and we will keep you informed about the result of the project, and
We'll be interested.
involve you if you are interested in, or create contacts with the project partner of this Care4Tech project.
Thank you, Malik.
Thank you.